Welcome students, we are going to discuss the new topic, that is subject verb agreement. Now first we will see plurals in English grammar. To make a noun plural we add s. Example, you see girl, that is singular. When we add s in girl it becomes plural, that is girls. The plural of girl is girls. How we make it? By adding s in noun, it becomes plural. To make verb plural we take away s. To make verb plural we take away s. Meaning is this: whenever we have to make verb plural we do not add s or es. Okay, for example, you see he talks, talks, he talks. Plural, they talk, theytalk, they talk. So here you see, when we take away or when we remove s from the verb, then it becomes what? Plural. Okay, whenever we have to make plural, to make a verb plural we have to take away s. इसमें हमें मुख्य रूप से इस बात पे ध्यान रखना है, जब भी हम नाउन में एस जोड़ते हैं तो वो प्लूरल हो जाता है, और या जब कभी हम किसी भी नाउन को प्लूरल बनाना होता है तो उसमें एस जोड़ देते हैं, और जब किसी वर्ब को प्लूरल बनाना होता है तो हम एस को हटा देते हैं. दैट इज़ अ सिंपल वे. Meaning is this: by adding s in noun it becomes plural, and whenever we have to make verb plural we have to take away s, or we should not add s in verb. If we add s in verb then it becomes singular, and when we take away s from verb it becomes plural. जब कभी भी हमको वर्ब को प्लूरल बनाना है तो एस उससे हटा देना है, और जब भी वर्ब को सिंगुलर बनाना है उसमें एस जोड़ देना है. Now move to next one. See, what's the verb endings? Singular. I is singular, that's why we use singular verb. I walk. You is singular, that's why we use singular verb. You walk. He, she, it walks. For example, Joe walks, the girl walks. So one thing you also remember, when the subject is singular we use singular verb. Okay, singular subject, singular verb. Now come to next one, second part, plural. We walk, you walk, they walk. So here you see plural. We refers to plural, you refers to plural. Okay, they refers to plural. Joe and Maria walk, the girls walk. So one thing you remember, when you focus on you, with you we use plural verb, and we have understood whenever we have to make verb plural we have to take away s, we have to remove s. So you, with you we always use plural verb. For example, you walk, I walk, she walks, they walk, you walk. Okay, सो इस बात में हमको ध्यान रखना है कि जब सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर होगा तो उसके साथ सिंगुलर वर्ब यूज करेंगे, और जब सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल होगा तो उसके साथ सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल होगा तो उसके साथ प्लूरल वर्ब यूज करेंगे. जैसे कि हम देखते हैं, जो वॉक्स, जो रिफर्स टू सिंगुलर, द गर्ल वॉक, द गर्ल रिफर्स टू सिंगुलर, जो एंड मारिया वॉक, इट रिफर्स टू प्लूरल, द गर्ल्स रिफर टू प्लूरल, दैट्स वाई वी यूज प्लूरल वर्ब. Now come to next one. Irregular do you see? Irregular verbs, we are focusing on irregular verb. Do, singular, plural. He does. He is singular, that's why we use does. They do. They refers to plural, that's why we use plural verb, that is do. For have, she has, they have. Again she singular, we use has. They refers to plural, that's why we use have. Be, he is, she was, they are, they were. So here we have understood that the key point, whenever the subject is singular, we use singular verb. When the subject is plural, we use plural verb. Remember, when we add s in verb, it becomes singular. When we add s in verb, it becomes singular. When we remove s from the verb, it becomes प्लूरल. जब भी हम वर्ब से एस हटाते हैं वो प्लूरल बन जाता है, और जब भी हम वर्ब में एस या एस जोड़ते हैं तो वो बन जाता है सिंगुलर. नाउ सी, here you see, again here you see the girl dances. Here girl is singular, that's why we use singular verb, the girl dances. Next you see the boy laughs. The boy is singular, that's why we use laughs. Okay, here you see the boy laughs. Understand? Why? Because the boy is singular, that's why we use laughs. Understand? Next you see they laugh. Why? Because they is plural, that's why we use laugh. Understand? So that is the point which we have to keep in our mind. Whenever the subject is singular, we use singular verb. Okay. Now here you see the girls dances. If we write here, what we will write here? The girls dances. If I write they, then we use dance. Okay. So in this way we understand, whenever the subject is plural, we use plural verb. Okay. See. Now multiple subjects joined by and. Remember, when the two subjects are joined by and, we use plural verb. For example, you see, if there are two or more subjects joined by and the subjects must be plural, so the verb will not get an s. इस बात को ध्यान रखना है कि जब दो सब्जेक्ट या दो से अधिक सब्जेक्ट एंड के द्वारा जुड़े होते हैं तो हम प्लूरल वर्ब का प्रयोग करते हैं. If there are two or more subjects joined by and, the subject must be plural, so the verb will not get an s. So as we have understood, whenever we have to make verb plural, we do not add s or es in the verb. And whenever we want to make verb singular, we have to add s or es. Example, you see the boy and the girl dance. So here you see the boy and the girl. You can see the boy and the girl. These are two subjects joined by and. The boy is one subject, the girl is one subject, and these two subjects are joined by and. So it refers to plural. That's why we use here what? They dance. Understand? So in this way we can make the sentences. Next example, you see teachers and students. Talk. Teachers and students talk. So teachers, that is what? Plural. Students, that is also plural. So teachers and students talk. Or you can say And the example you see, Ram and Syam go to market. So here you can see Ram and Syam go to market. So Ram and Syam, these are the two subjects joined by and. So Ram and Syam go to market. In this way, we have understood that whenever two or more subjects are joined by and, then we use plural verb. Now see, this is very important. Okay, see, multiple subjects joined by or. If the subjects are joined by or, then how we will use verb? If there are two or more subjects joined by or, the verb agrees with the part of the subject closest to it. अगर सब्जेक्ट्स कई सब्जेक्ट्स जो हैं और के द्वारा जुड़े हों, तो उस केस में वर्ब को उस सब्जेक्ट के द्वारा यूज किया जाता है जो सबसे नज़दीक में हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू सी, द प्रोफेसर और द स्टूडेंट्स वॉक द हॉल्स. द प्रोफेसर और द स्टूडेंट्स walk the halls. Here you see this first subjects are professor or the students. These two subjects are joined with the help of or, and walk is used according to the second subject. You can say the students, because nearest verb is used according to the nearest subject. Again you see the rule, there are two or more subjects joined by or, the verb agrees with the part of the subject closest to it. वो सब्जेक्ट जो वर्ग काफ़ी नज़दीक हो, या सेकेंड वर्ब के अकॉर्डिंग हम यूज करते हैं वर्ब को. सो इन दिस एग्जाम्पल यू सी, द प्रोफेसर और द स्टूडेंट्स वॉक द हॉल्स. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल सी, द स्टूडेंट्स एंड द प्रोफेसर वॉक्स द हॉल्स. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल हम देखते हैं कि हमारा जो सेकेंड सब्जेक्ट है द प्रोफेसर, वो क्या है, सिंगुलर है, इसलिए हमने क्या वर्ब लाया, वॉक्स लाया. ठीक है. In other words, we can say if the subjects are joined by are, then we use the verb according to the nearest one. जो सबसे नज़दीकी होगा उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही हम क्या करेंगे, वर्ब यूज करेंगे. Again you see arrow, you can see this verb walk is used according to the nearest subject, that is students. In the second sentence you also see walks is used according to the nearest subject, that is the professor. Okay, so this is the part which we have discussed today. So what we have discussed, that how the verb is make plural and singular. Simple way is that whenever we use s or es in verb, it becomes singular. When we use s or es in verb, it becomes singular. When we remove s or es from verb, then it becomes plural. वर्ब में जब भी हम एस या एस लगाते हैं वो सिंगुलर बन जाता है, और जब भी एस हटा देते हैं वो प्लूरल बन जाता है. सेकेंड पॉइंट वी हैव सीन दैट सिंगुलर वर्ब इज यूज्ड विथ सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट, प्लूरल वर्ब इज यूज्ड विथ प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट. दूसरा पॉइंट हमने देखा कि सिंगुलर वर्ब जो है सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट के साथ यूज होता है, प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल वर्ब के साथ यूज होता है. Third point we see, when the two or more subjects are joined by and, then we use plural verb. जब कई subjects and के द्वारा जुड़े होते हैं तो हम generally plural verb का यूज करते हैं. Next point we have seen, when the subjects are joined by or, then we use the verb according to the nearest subject. अगर subjects कई सब्जेक्ट्स और के द्वारा जुड़े हों तो वर्ब को नियरेस्ट सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग यूज करना चाहिए. एज वी सी इन द एग्जाम्पल, द प्रोफेसर और द स्टूडेंट्स वॉक. सो हियर वॉक इज यूज्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू द नियरेस्ट सब्जेक्ट, दैट इज द स्टूडेंट्स. नेक्स्ट, Example, students or the professor walks. So walks, this verb is used according to the nearest subject, that is the professor. So यहाँ पे हम जो देखते हैं कि स्टूडेंट्स के अकॉर्डिंग वर्ब वॉक यूज हुआ पहले सेंटेंस में, सेकंड में हम देख रहे हैं प्रोफेसर के अकॉर्डिंग यूज हुआ वर्ब वॉक्स. So these points we have discussed today. I hope that is clear to everyone. This part is clear to everyone. Okay. So these are the points which we have discussed today. Okay. Thank you.